Parents, meet the only water bottle you'll ever need to buy your kids. This is the LifeStraw Play. Your kids can safely drink water from here, or here. No need to worry about lead in school tap water, or Giardia on a hike, or sketchy tap water on your travels. The LifeStraw Play's advanced water filter does it all. BPA-free, leak-proof, durable, and designed for kids. The Play water bottle comes in a variety of colors and includes 8 interchangeable cap graphics. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that traps bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and sediment. Then, an activated carbon plus ion exchange filter absorbs chemicals and bonds to heavy metals like lead, reducing even more contaminants from your drinking water. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 500 gallons, and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 26 gallons. And the replaceable filters allow you to use your bottle for many adventures to come. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.